Okay, folks, what we're going to look at here is the damage left behind from the exploding Cox Cable Service van World War III alien invasion Armageddon scenario thing from yesterday. So that stuff got pretty well toasted. This tree here, let's see. Looks like that tree's gonna live. Good news. Oh, there's an interesting photo. Is that irony? Shit. Okay. Let's see. Let's take a look down at where the fire actually came up. Approximately here. Zoom in a little bit. That would be almost the equivalent of an impact crater. Looks like, yeah, the explosion occurred roughly there. You may or may not be able to see broken glass. And we'll go ahead and pan over. You can see this brush went up. And I'll look down this way towards a short bus and my bike. Short bus and my bike. Look at that. They go together nicely. And take a look up. See? I thought this tree was done for yesterday, and that's gotta hurt. I'm no plant biologist, but I'm gonna say that tree's gonna live. That's good. A little more. We'll just pan over so you can see across. Look like. You can see the stump of this tree here. The stump really took it on the chin. You can see that the heat, did it melt it? No, it's actually somehow fried the chain link fence. Let's get a close up of that. This is what chain link fence looks like when heated to, I don't know, 2000 Kelvin or whatever that was. And then the damage to this bush right here pretty much says it all. This stuff goes up fast. As you can see, what's around here is relatively green, okay? And then we look back up here at the mountains at the, you look across that ridge. That is what most of Southern California looks like. It's very dry brush. So you can imagine if this went up as fast as it did, imagine what it's going to be like when something like that catches fire. Chopper7.com. Thanks for watching.